Hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today I'm going to share a thrift flip, a thrift DIY, and a few purchases. And then I'm going to share how I styled some of the items, so stay tuned until the end so you don't miss out. Now, my first item I'm going to share is a thrift flip. Now, this piece was inspired by Studio McGee, and I picked this piece up from a neighbor's garage sale. So whenever I'm out thrifting, I like to look for decor pieces that may be inspired by some new trending decor pieces, and then I will see if I can make them over. And so this piece here, I started out by painting it in a chalk paint by Waverly, and then I'm going to finish it off in a neutral color. I think it's stucco by Sherwin-Williams, and I use this color a lot in my decor, and so sometimes I will do a finish over it, or sometimes I would leave it plain, but this helps to keep my decor looking cohesive by using some of the same colors. Now, of course, this piece is not exactly like the McGee & Co., but I was inspired by this piece, by the McGee & Co. piece. And so once I finished painting the piece, I didn't like the little holes in the feet, so I decided to cover it with some joint compound. And so I used one coat, and then I let it dry, and then I filled the other side until the hole was completely filled. And then once that dried, I gave it a very light sanding and then just wiped away the excess debris, and then finished it in the stucco paint for a second coat. And I like the way it turned out. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen these necklaces I shared over the weekend, and I'm going to do a simple DIY with one, and then I'll do another DIY with the second one. So this one that has the interlocking necklaces, I'm just going to separate the two necklaces, and then I will use the one necklace for decor. And unfortunately, I will not be using the second necklace at this time, but you never know when I'll need some royal blue beads. Okay, so for this necklace, I will be detaching these stones. Now, this I thought was perfect for an idea that I had in mind, and I like the fact that the stones were large and that there were 6 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and take them apart. And then I will be using this washi tape that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it is by the brand Paper Studio, and they were on clearance or on sale half off. And so I'm just going to add it to the edge of the stone, And then I'm going to adhere it to the top of this napkin ring. And this napkin ring was inspired by a napkin ring that I saw online, but the price was a little pricey for me, and so I knew that I could DIY this. And you will see this in an upcoming tablescape at the end of this video. And so I picked up these glasses from Savers. I got 4 for $4.49. I will also show these in an upcoming video, as well as at the end of this video. So when I get my thrifted items, they have the little sticker on them, so I like to use the Dawn dish liquid, and that helps to easily remove the sticker, as well as the little markers. And I think they're beautiful. So I also picked up books while I was at Savers, and one I did get from Home Goods. No, I'm sorry, I got from Goodwill. And I always like picking up books, obviously, that match my decor. And so I thought this one was really nice because of the tones and then the texture that was on the cover. And it does help to find books that you are actually interested in or will read. And so this little small devotional book was pretty interesting as well. It had some beautiful pictures in it, and it had some scripture references. And so I thought this was a good book to pick up because I thought maybe I would frame some of the pictures. And these obviously make nice coffee table books, or you can place them in your bookcase or in different vignettes. So this book I got from Goodwill, and this is by Martha Stewart. We all know Martha Stewart is a classic, and her decor and style is always relevant. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for sticking with me. And so now I'm going to share how I styled some of these things in my breakfast area. Now don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment if you can, and definitely subscribe. It helps out my channel and it shows YouTube that people are interested in my content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Now this piece I picked up, or I ordered, and I wasn't quite sure what it was going to look like, so I am opening this for the first time with you guys, and it is beautiful. Thank goodness it looks exactly like I hoped it would look. And I picked this up from a company called Bead Chest. And if I can find some information on it, I will leave it in the description box. But this is so beautiful. It is a green sea glass, and I'm going to share with you how I styled it. Now, I also picked up this piece from Hobby Lobby. I wanted to share this with you guys really quick because they had some really nice prices on their art pieces. I got this piece on clearance for $12.49, and I thought that was an excellent deal for the quality and the size of the picture. It has this nice gold frame, and the size on the picture I think was 24 by 24. It was originally $49, and I thought it was an excellent deal. So I'm sharing this here on my console table with some other decor pieces that I shared earlier in the video.